Okay, so you see this pile on my desk and all this other stuff around me? You all have to give me some time to get it all together. So we're going to be closed. We're going to take a holiday break at RX Catering. And of course, we're going to be closed on Christmas Day, so December 25th and the 26th. 27th and 28th. We will be open just briefly in between Christmas and New Year's for a couple days. If you all have some last minute things you need us to do, and if they are last minute, we need to know immediately so we can start prepping for them. And then we'll be closed on New Year's Eve at noon, and then closed on New Year's Day. So January 1st, January 2nd, and January 3rd. So that Monday and Tuesday. So don't wait till the last minute. Please don't, because we want to make sure that all the orders are made with love and attention to detail. And we can't do that if you don't give us enough time. So again, we appreciate the business, and those are our closure dates. We look forward to working with you. Thanks.